Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video we discussed related to concept 2, right? And here we are going to discuss that worksheet 2 which are related to concept 2. Okay ma? See here ma. Here if A is equals to 5 power 12 divided by 5 power 9, and here see that concept 2 means here that is related to concept 1, that is related to laws of exponents only, no? So depends on that one. Here see that if A is equals to 5 power 12 divided by 5 power 9, B is equals to 4 power 8 divided by 4 power 6, and C is equals to 3 power 4 divided by 3 square, then we need to find the value of A square, B cube, C power 4 whole square. Okay, now see here. See that what they given. First we need to find that A value here. Okay, A is in the form of 5 power 12 by 5 power 9. This is in the form of A power m by A power n, which is equals to A power m minus n. Okay, when we can say here m is greater than n, that's why the condition is m is greater than n only, no? M is equals to 12, n is equals to 9. So 12 is greater than 9 only, no ma? So that's why here m is greater than n. Okay, which is equals to here A is equals to 5 power 12 minus 9. Okay, A power m minus n. So that formula I applied here. Then finally 5 power 12 minus 9, which is equals to 3. So here A is equals to 5 cube. What is the value of A here? A is equals to 5 cube. Next, and in the same way here B value. B is equals to 4 power 8 by 4 power 6. Here also same formula only, no? A power m by A power n. So apply the same formula here also. 4 power 8 minus 6, which is equals to 4 square. Which is equals to 4 square. Then here B is equals to what is the value ma here? 4 square. Okay, and finally C value we need to find out. C is equals to 3 power 4 by 3 square, which is equals to 3 power 4 minus 2, then here 3 square. This is the value of C. Now we have the values of A, B, C, right? Now see that A is equals to 5 cube, B is equals to 4 square, okay, C is equal to 3 square. Now what we need to find out here? We need to find that A square, B cube, C power 4. A square, B cube, C power 4. A square, B cube, C power 4 whole square. This value we need to find out. Okay. Now here A is equals to 5 cube whole square into B is equals to 4 square whole cube into C is equals to 3 square whole power 4 whole square. Okay ma? Now here see that this is in the form of, here actually without simplification they given, no? Here see that. Now 5 cube whole square, which means 5 power 3 to 6 into 4 power 2 into 3 into 3 power 2 into 4 whole square. Okay, why? Because here what formula we applied ma here? A power m whole power n is equals to A power m into n formula we applied here. Okay, now say that we can write this one as 5 power 6 into 4 power 6 into 3 power 2 fours 8 whole square. Okay, now see that apply this square to each and every number, right? A power m. Why? Because it's a reverse. A power m into B power m whole power n is equals to A power mn into B power mn. Am I clear ma? Yes. Now 5 power 6 whole square into 4 power 6 whole square into 3 power 8 whole square, which is equals to 5 power 6 to 12 into 4 power 6 to 12 into 3 power 8 to 16 Okay, ma. Now, here these two powers also equals to 12 only, no? So, that's why here just write it as 5 power 12 into 4 power 12 into, here 3 power 16. 3 power 16 we can write it as 3 power 12 plus 4. Shall we write like this, ma? Why? Because here we applied the formula a power mn is equal, sorry, a power m plus n is equals to a power m into a power n formula. This is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n formula is there, no? As per that formula, here just separate that 16 as 12 plus 4. Okay. Now see here, 5 power 12 into 4 power 12 into 3 power, here we have that 12 plus 4, no? Okay, 16, which is equals to 5 power 12 into 4 power 12 into 3 power 12 into 3 square. Sorry, 3 power 4. Shall we write like this, ma? This is in the form of a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Already we written previous, no, formula as per that formula. Now here these three numbers also having that same power. Yes and no? That's why here we can write it as 5 into 4 into 3 whole power 12 into 3 power 4. Okay, why? Because here the formula is a power m into b power m is equals to ab whole power m. That formula we applied here. Okay, ma. Finally, the answer is 5 into 4 into 3 power 12. Yes, 5 into 4 into 3 power 12 into 3 power 4. Into 3 power 4. 5 into 4 into 3 whole power 12 into 3 power 4. Am I clear, ma? So here which option is satisfying? Option C is satisfying. Okay. Yes. Next to question number 2. What is that question number 2 here? X is equals to minus 12 cube. Y is equals to minus 6 square. Then X divided by 12 whole square of 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay. Directly substitute those values, no? X by Y whole square of 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay. Now here X value minus 12 whole cube by Y value minus 6 whole square into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay, ma. Now simplify that. Minus 12 whole cube. Minus 12 whole cube means what we will get here? See that. Minus 12 whole cube means minus 12 whole cube, which is equals to minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12. Again, you will get it as minus 12 whole cube only, no? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, again minus only. That's why here this is a minus 12 whole cube. And here minus 6 whole square means that is a plus 6 only. Yes or no? Okay. That's why here how we can write it means, see that. 12 cube whole square. So directly we can apply that minus 12 cube whole square by minus 6, again you will get it as plus 6 only, no? 6 square whole square into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay, ma. Now here minus 12 whole cube, which means minus 12 whole power 3 into 2, which is equals to 6. Okay, whole by 6 power 4 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay, ma. Why? Because here which formulas we applied here? A power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. One of the formula we applied that. Okay, and in the similar way here we applied that a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. That formula also we applied here. Okay. After that, minus 12 power 6. Minus 12 power 6 means that is positive only you will get, no? Why? Because 6 is even. That's why here we will get it as 12 power 6 by 6 power 4 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Now here 12 power 6. 12 power 6, how we can write? 12 we can write it as 3 into 4. Shall we write like this, ma? 3 into 4. So 3 into 4, 3 4s 12 whole power 6 by 6 we can write it as 236 whole power 4. Okay, into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay, for cancellation purpose I am writing like this. See that. Now here 3 power 6 into 4 power 6 whole by 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay ma? Now cancellation, say that, or else directly I am writing here, say that 3 power 6 into 4 power 6 by 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Okay, now apply the formula as a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n formula we have to apply here. Okay, why? Because here 3 power 6 is there, here 3 power 4 is there, here 4 power 6 is there, no? So 4 power 6 means again we can write it as 2 square whole power 6. Okay, now see that ma, here 3 power 6 into 3 power minus 4, this value I written here, into 2 square whole power 6 into 2 power minus 4 into 2 power minus 4 into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. Am I clear ma? Now say that 3 power 6 minus 4 plus of minus 4. Okay, why? Because as per the formula a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n formula. Okay, into 2 power 2 6 12. Okay, plus of minus 4 plus 6 into 3 power 4. This 3 power 4 just you have to add to this. 3 power 6 plus minus 4 plus 4 into 2 power 12 plus of minus 4 plus 6. Okay ma? Finally we will get this. Here which formula we applied that? Since a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, now 3 power plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. Is there any cancellations? Not there. 3 power 6 into 2 power 12 minus 4, 8. 8 plus 6 which is equals to 14. Okay, finally this is that answer. 3 power 6 into 2 power 4. 3 power 6 into 2 power, yes, 2 power 14 into 3 power 6. 2 power 14 into 3 power 6. Which option is satisfying ma here? Option C is satisfying. Okay, yes. Third question, say that if 2 power p is equals to 16, then 2 power p minus 4 value we need to find out. So before going to find that 2 power p minus 4, first find that p value here. Okay, here 2 power p is equals to 16, we can write it as 2 power 4. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Okay, since as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. Then here p is equals to 4. Now 2 power p minus 4 is equals to 2 power 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 only, no? So 2 power 0, is it equal to 0 or 1? Yes, 1. Any number power 0 is equals to 1 except 0. Okay. From 1 onwards, 1 power any value, power is 0 means then we will get it as 1. So finally what is that answer ma here? Option A. Okay. Yes. Next, fourth question, say that 5 by 16 whole power 17 divided by 5 by 16 whole power 5 is equal to 5 by 16 whole power x. Clear? 6 by 19 whole power 8 into 6 by 19 whole power 4 is equal to 6 by 19 whole power y. Now we need to find that x plus y whole cube. Okay. So before going to that, first what we have to find out ma? First we need to find that x values here. Okay. 5 by 16 whole power 17 divided by 5 by 16 whole power 5, which is equals to 5 by 16 whole power x. Okay. Here which formula we can apply here? We can apply that since a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Yes or no? Okay. Now here 5 by 16 whole power 17 minus 5 is equal to 5 by 16 whole power x. Okay. Now as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. Okay. 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to x, since x is equals to 12. What is the value of x ma here? X is equals to 12. Okay, why? Because as the bases are equal, then their exponents must be equal. Okay, or else if you have any doubt, just to see this one, 5 by 16 whole power 12, which is equals to 5 by 16 whole power x. In this way also you can write. Finally, x is equal to 12. Okay, ma? Now here, another one, say that. Now find that y value here. Okay. Next, y value we need to find out. Y value is 6 by 19. 6 by 19 whole power 8 into the given, no? Yes, 6 by 19 whole power 4. 6 by 19 whole power 4, which is equals to 6 by 19 whole power y. 6 by 19 whole power y. Here y value we need to find out. Okay, ma? 6 by 19. Yes, here division they given, here multiplication they given. Okay, now see that. Multiplication means what is that formula here we have to apply? A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Okay, apply that formula here. 6 by 19 whole power 8 plus 4 is equals to 6 by 19 whole power y. Okay, as per this one, 6 by 19 whole power 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, which is equals to 6 by 19 whole power y. Okay, ma? Since what is the value of y here? Y is also equals to 12. Okay, x value is equals to 12, y also equals to 12. Now x plus y whole cube. Now x plus y whole cube is equal to, x is equals to 12, y is also equals to 12, no? So 12 plus 12 is equals to 24. Okay, 24 whole cube. This is the final answer. Okay, which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, 24 whole cube. Option A is satisfying, 24 whole cube. Next, question number 5, see that if minus 3 power 7 into minus 2 power 8 into minus 5 power 6 divided by minus 3 cube into minus 2 power 12 into minus 5 power 10 into 10 by 3 whole power 4 is equals to x. Okay, then the value of x value we need to find out. X value means simply we need to simplify this expression. Okay, ma? Now here see that minus 3 power 7 into minus 2 power 8 into minus 5 power 6. Okay, divided by minus 3 power 3 into minus 2 power 12 into minus 5 power 10 into 10 by 3 whole power 4, which is equal to x. Understand, ma? Now here say that minus 3 power 7 minus 3 into minus 2 power 8 minus 12 into minus 5 power 6 minus 10. Okay, why? Because means I'll write that formula here, say that 10 by 3 whole power 4 is equal to x. Since a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n, and n minus m also there, but here by using one formula only I written here, or else here 12 minus 8, 10 minus 6, n minus m formula that is. Okay, now see that minus 3 power 7 minus 3 is 4 into minus 2 power minus 4 into minus 5 power minus 4 into 10 by 3 whole power 4, which is equal to x. Okay, ma? Now here which formula we have to apply means 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. A power minus n. This is in the form of a power minus n only, no? So a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Now here minus 3 power 4 into 1 by minus 2 power 4 into 1 by minus 5 power 4 into here 10 by 3 whole power 4, which is equal to x. Understand, ma? That formula we applied here. Now minus 3 power 4. 4 is a even number or odd number? Even number only, no? So here minus symbol multiplied itself by 4 times means again we will get it as a positive only. That's why here minus 3 power 4 is nothing but equals to 3 power 4 into 1 by, again minus 2 power 4, which is equals to 1 by 2 power 4 into, here 1 by minus 5 power 4 means 1 by 5 power 4 into 10 by 3 whole power 4. 10 by 3 whole power 4. Okay, ma. Now again write this one as 3 power 4 into 1 by 2 power 4 into 1 by 5 power 4 into, here 10 we can write it as 2 into 5 whole power 4 by 3. 2 5s 10 only, no? Okay, whole power 3 by 4. Okay, why? Because here which formula we applied? Since a by b whole power n is equals to a power n by b power n formula, that is. Okay, now 3 power 4 into 1 by 2 power 4. At a time we will do that cancellation. See here, into here 2 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 3 power 4. Here which formula we used? That ab whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m formula we applied here. Okay, ma. Now cancellation, see that all the cancellations at a time. 3 power 4, 3 power 4, 5 power 4, 5 power 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 4. All numbers cancel now here, and that is in multiplication. So that's why here what is that answer? Answer is 1. Okay. So here which option is satisfying? Option A is satisfying, that is 1. Am I clear, ma? So children, in this video we discussed that 1 to 5 questions from that worksheet 2. In that next video we will discuss that the leftover question 6 to 11. Okay, thank you all.